This morning I'm in the old town of Takehara, also known as Little Kyoto of Aki. The streets here are super relaxing to walk down, and if it wasn't for the cars, you would feel like you had been transported back in time. You can find a few temples and shrines in this area, the most famous being Shorenji Temple. Takehara used to be a prime producer of salt and sake. You can find lots of independent shops and museums in the area, many selling Takehara salt and sake. The name itself literally translates to bamboo field, so it's not a surprise that you can find lots of bamboo around too. I decided to do a bamboo craft workshop in one of the shops here. You can choose to make a few different things, such as a bamboo basket or windmill. I chose to make the windmill. These are made using a weaving technique. I found it quite tricky and required a lot of assistance, but the staff here were very friendly and I managed to understand the process with my limited Japanese. You can choose the pattern you want for your windmill. I decided to have it all in this lovely red and black pattern. I'd recommend trying this yourself if you come visit Takehara. It was fun and made a nice souvenir to take back with me. If you don't want to make anything yourself, the shop also sells a nice variety of bamboo crafts already made for you. Takehara's old town is a charming place to visit. It is quite small and you don't need long here. If you want to make the most out of your journey, I would recommend visiting the nearby Rabbit Island. Go check out that video on the screen or in the link in the description.